H-Mart. It's a supermarket, Chinese supermarket, I believe, and we're just gonna start going through the aisles and just picking stuff out and see what we like. So let's go.
As y'all can see, where we at?
H-Mart.
H-Mart. We gonna get hot with the videos, so y'all stay tuned, man.
You gotta record the experience.
Move! I see pomegranate.
Damn, there's a hope some pomegranate. Everything is so cool.
That
here.
bitch thick too. Look at that.
Smack it. Do a little smack.
Let's stop that.
Oh, is that pomelo? Is this pomelo? And you I think, is it pomelo?
Pomelo.
Yeah, okay, so with this, right, you open it and you dip it in soy sauce and vinegar, and it's good.
What the hell?
No, it's good.
Is it a fruit or like?
It is, yeah, it's like a fruit. My friend from the Philippines, she eats that a lot. Oh, melon, yeah, type of melon. This is a papaya. Papaya's really bitter though. Okay. This one's yellow dragon fruit.
I never tried dragon fruit.
It's good.
Dragon fruit's good.
How much is it though?
How do you eat it?
He's cut it. Oh, excuse me. Jay's like, you ain't taking my pomegranate.
It's my pomegranate.
This is like the vegetables. Maybe they don't got it.
They got it.
Yeah. Oh, look at these big ass pumpkins. Oh, I thought it said caca. Oh, they do look good.
Oh, that'd be juicy.
Should we try one? Let's try one. Look at his neck. Oh, is this hazelnut, right? My neck!
What the hell? People eat this shit?
Yeah.
It's hazelnut, right?
Yeah, I think it's hazelnut. They have these nuts too. That should look good. And then curry.
I could take this for lunch.
Yeah, try it.
But what if I shit on myself?
Damn.
Waffle? Fried rice?
Waffle? Cheese?
What is this?
It's like pickle cabbage. It's good. They got big ones. Duck eggs that you can eat. Salted and cooked.
Duck egg?
Ooh, vacuum pack.
Oh no.
Oh, look at these. They're little quail eggs. I dare y'all to eat them.
Dude, what's that?
Quail egg?
Huh?
Quail egg?
Quail?
Quail.
Quail, what's that?
It's a type of bird. Salted.
I'm gonna take it.
Oh, they have pickled garlic, I think?
What is it, chicken wing?
Korean omelet?
Baby crabs.
Crab?
Baby crabs. Oh, is that chicken wing?
What's this?
Korean.
Acorn jelly. Guys,
Man, what's up with them
I want to wipe my tears with these. How much is this?
You want to what?
I want to wipe my tears with Hello Kitty. That should be so cute. How much are they? Oh, no,
How much are them?
How much are these?
I don't know, but it's just paper.
Yo, what's this?
What's that? Oh shit. Oh, Jay.
Imagine haciendo un caldo, bro. That shit is
a big ass shit.
Yeah, that shit is
Yo.
good from caldo.
My mom want to make some ceviche with scallops, though.
Yeah.
Scallops.
Oh shoot. Ooh, snap. Banana nut, blueberry nut.
It's not shit ever. It's like pop sticks. Pop sticks.
You tried it already?
It's just like natural, like. This right here. That was good. What's that? Drink cake. Rice cake.
I want to come back to that. I wonder if I should try this one. Red bean? I'm gonna try it. Can we try this? This one?
Yeah, we try that.
Okay, and then ramen, and then we're good. They don't have it. Dang it. It was the habanero one I wanted.
Habanero hot chicken ramen.
Yeah.
Oh, that's from the front. They can pull it out.
Mm-hmm. This one's supposed to be spicy.
Can I get the katsu curry going, please?
Dang. Have you eaten, Jerry? That's ours. Did I go get ours?
Y'all see that? That's
Hey.
the biggest corn dog I ever seen. That nigga black.
Marking order number 11 is ready.
Dang.
Shipping order number 4 is ready.
That shit big as hell, boy. It's good?
Mm-hmm.
It's good, ain't it?
What you guys think?
It has sugar on it. Never taste that.
That's just me though. I could never find out my heart beating out my torso. Wonder if it's just me or the drink that I've been sipping. Wonder if the vibe is really there or if I'm tripping.
So we got some crispy crunch ice bar. Looks good. And then
Which one we're gonna try?
oh no, this reminds me of like Kit Kat bar.
Which
White
one?
Kit Kat.
Which one are we gonna try?
You try both of them. You got enough for everybody. Let's try them first.
I feel like we're gonna throw up after all this.
Can't do this.
My fingers feel weak.
What kind of Chinese sorcery is this?
They're probably like, these dumb fuckers.
We're probably gonna get judged each other. You're supposed to open it this way. There's a little arrow.
This shit is good though. Eat it. Mmm. This shit's fire.
Hey, Loki, that shit buzzing.
Wherever country made this, y'all win.
What do y'all give it?
Here's top.
I'll give it a
10.
9 out of 10. One because it's a little too sweet, but you know, you expect that. Nugget bar? Nugget?
Nugget?
Nugget? Same shit. I mean, same thing.
Nick.
I'm not, it kind of looks like a white Kit Kat. So.
Shit.
It looks like a dildo.
Damn. Oh.
Nope.
I'll give it a couple bites.
Mascarpone.
Mascarpone cheese and strawberry flavor.
I like it. For the camera woman, I give it a 9.
I'll give you that a 5.
I'll give it 9.1. Just because I'm trying to be different. Oh no!
That shit might be busting.
I've had corn tamales and
It's like an elote flavor.
it's cold. This hell no!
Hey, what? What is this?
And it's shaped like an elote too.
Yeah. You gonna try it, Jerry?
Hell no!
Dang.
You try. You take a bite.
Damn, that shit look fake as hell. Oh shit.
And it looks like it got mayonnaise and everything. I can already tell it's gonna be.
Oh. You hit your chocolate?
I smell that. No sir.
Try this one, Jay.
No ma'am.
Oh. I couldn't do that. You wanna try it?
He got
Try it,
chocolate.
bro.
Maybe he didn't understand.
Aye.
Get his reaction.
That's what I'm doing.
It smells like some ramen noodles. Hey, that man.
Oh. I couldn't do that. You wanna try it?
He got
Try it,
chocolate.
Maybe he didn't understand.
It smells like some ramen noodles.
You like it? Nah.
It tastes like a bland cracker with shrimp flavor.
For real.
Oh my god.
That bitch biting like a jump show.
Flavor's barely there. It's like when you wear cologne and you can just smell it on your like pillow for like 2 days after. That's what the flavor
It's so
tastes like.
specific.
Hey, that man, this is some bull. I'm about to go throw it
Yeah,
at that man.
that.
I'm like, sir?
She wanna throw up.
It's like a fish
Oh,
market.
hell no. Roll the window down.
It's like a fish market in your mouth.
Yeah, that's how I feel. You gonna throw up?
The people are right there. Oh my.
Yo.
She needs some.
Hey,
But for now, what'd y'all rate the whole thing? How'd y'all like the little trip to China?
The trip was fun.
The Korean
Them crackers. That's just
The crackers were
That
really
shit's
good.
some
I'm
boo.
glad we had it last.
Yeah, them crackers some boo.
Yes, sir. We out,
Corn was
guys.
good.
Bang.
I respect that. If you really boot up, oh well, I expect that. So if we gotta be friends for forever, I accept that. But if I got a chance, baby girl, I'll protect that. But I don't know though.